Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link a calendar to a database. And this is useful when you have actual deadlines or goal target dates, or you have a tracker for example, finances, or you have to pay your rent, or you have different expenses. So we're going to start off with a table database. Click there. Don't know how to do that. I'm just going to copy and paste the title. And in this database, we'll go next to table, and when we scroll there, we'll see a plus show up, and it says add a new view. And here we will click on calendar, and the calendar will show up. Now, for example, at the date of this recording, December 18th, we can add an item and say YouTube video, and let's just say Notion YouTube video. Let's just make it fancier by adding a checkbox. And this task in this calendar will be automatically created in the table. So there you go. Hope this helps. Thanks.